Right, in this video we're going to be changing the whole diffuser and actually fitting the tips and the diffuser on the car. So before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, share this post as much as possible, and let's begin. So as you can see, we got the car down to Auto Tech. Back at it again. As you can see, I'm back at Auto Tech. This time we're going to change the diffuser on the car, and it's in the boot. So as you can see, that's the current diffuser that's currently on the car. And what we're going to do, we're going to change it to the AMG diffuser with my own customization to it as well. It's in the special box to give it a nice little AMG finish as well. Let's get started. Right. Pop this over here so you can see it. So as I've shown you from the last time I opened it, it's the exact same one that we're going to be doing. However, I'll show you a little bit comparison to the one that's on the current car. So you have a look. Side. If I show you a little bit of comparison, we'll come back around here. So you can see the old one, and this is what the new one's gonna look like. It's cool, isn't it? We'll change the whole look of the car. And then don't forget, we customized the tips as well. So that's gonna make the whole car look different and match the wheels, which we're gonna do very soon as well. Customization can make a car look different, because look, you can see there's an A-class here, but it's completely stopped. And it's got that normal diffuser on it. I'm just gonna see how it looks. Now, as you can see, it does make a big difference, especially when it comes to customization. So that goes to show that if you do customize your car, it does make the car look better. That's the whole point of it. And that's why we're doing this car, to make it a one-of-one at Auto Tech Coventry. So in this box is the corner of the car. So that's where we're gonna put it right over here, so it can match the diffuser with a nice flow. So take it out so you know an example. You see this, you just slap it right on the bottom of that, it goes like that. So it will match the diffuser with a nice flow. There's a nice little aggressive buff on the back as well. This one is, I believe you have to do with the double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. I'm not sure if that's going to be strong enough. Light though, it's very light. The thing is, I'm not 100% sure whether I want to keep this one or put a different one. But the thing is, I'm not sure if I want to keep this one like this, or maybe change it to a different one, because this is what the A45 has as well. No, not the color. I'm talking about the whole thing, to a different one. So I've seen like the one that's spoken out like this. This one is more curved, you know, like, so it matches the diffuser. I mean, we'll see when we put the diffuser on, then we can see how it looks like. But I think I'm not confident I want to keep this on the car. I just want to see how it looks, and then we'll see if we want to change it or not in the future. So I don't think I'm going to put Mansuri glue on this one. I was going to see with a double-sided tape whether it looks good or not, but I probably might change it in the future, to be honest. Because this one is definitely what the A45 standard bumper has, which is these little side spokes on the back. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see. There you go. After 1 hour waiting, it's finally our turn to go up on the ramp. It's off. Now this is where they're going to start putting it up on the ramp. Now this is where they start putting the car on the ramp and lift it in the air and start the process of taking the diffuser out. So this is where they start taking off all the screws and unclipping the clips as well, to ensure that the diffuser comes off nice and smoothly. However, it was so tight on the car that we weren't sure why it was so stuck to the bumper, and it ended up snapping. Now this diffuser was really tough to come off. We had to use so many different clips and tools just to get this diffuser off, but it still wouldn't come off. And then after many attempts, we finally started to see some progress, and it eventually came up, as you can see. That's what the rear part of the diffuser looks like without the actual diffuser, which is on the floor. So here we're taking off the exhaust tips and preparing it for the new exhaust tip that we created in the last video. Now this is where we start putting the new brackets in, making sure that it will secure the new exhaust tip. It was quite tough to take these brackets off, but we got it off eventually. And on goes the new brackets for the new exhaust tips. This is the new diffuser, and you put it in. So that's how it will look like. So you need to put a few screws in here and here as well. And then once that's all fitted in, that's where we're going to put the whole diffuser on top of that. On goes the new clips to attach the new diffuser to the bumper properly and secured. And that's the new exhaust tip securely fitted. So we're packing all these off because I don't want to damage the original diffuser and the exhaust tip. We're planning on selling this as well, because I'm not going to keep this because I like the one I'm going to put on. That's much more better anyway. So I'm going to pack this all up, make it ready, or if somebody wants this, they'll have it in good condition as well. Now that both exhaust tips are securely fitted, it's now time to put the new diffuser on to the A-Class. So now it's all been fitted and it looks mean aggressive. However, this one right here is slightly a little bit down towards the bottom, but that side is fine. It's just this one is a bit down. Try and see what we can do with that. At this point, they just wrapped it up and told me to go home. Nah, I'm just playing. And that is the full diffuser all completed. They sorted the exhaust tip by adjusting it with their tools and equipment. So now it's all nicely flush. So as you can see, it's all nice and straight. There's no wonky balance anywhere. It's a big shout out to Autotech. So this is currently working at the moment, part after the diffuser has been changed. Now I'm going to try and get this all fixed up and get it all back to where it should be. It shouldn't be a hard job because if I press it in, you won't notice anything. And it's plastic, so it shouldn't be a hard fix. So this is where we started using a tool where it allows the plastic parts from both sides to combine using a metal which is burnt to a high standard degree, allowing it to fuse without causing any separations. Of course, shout out to my dad, as he did assist and help me throughout this whole journey. And that's all pretty much nicely welded all together now. So just the last part, which is unclipping all the edges, so to make it all nice and flat. So that way there won't be any sort of marks on this diffuser. Now that's all been completed, we can nicely pack it up and store it away until whoever wants to use it next. And that is all completed. So as you can see, it looks way better than the original diffuser. I mean, just look at the red spoken out, the diffuser all nicely looking sporty, more towards the AMG type. It just looks all perfect and it's all coming together the Luxella way. And that is the rear exhaust and diffuser all completed. So that's the end of this video. New videos will be released next week again. But in the meantime, please do make sure to like, subscribe, share this video as much as you can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.
This love and loyalty I feel. Yeah, never switch up, that's real. Yeah, money comes slow, but we build. Yeah, Luxella dreams, that's the deal, yeah. Dreams and just talk, they living proof. Family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof. Money ain't love, but it helps get through. Luxella dreams, that's what I do, yeah.